JB?
Yup.
If it starts to spark, drop it and run away.
Yup.
Hold on, I gotta practice.
Okay, yeah, practice. Easy, it's easy,
Okay,
it's easy.
I can do it.
I think you can jump and control, you don't need it though.
Okay.
Nice, dude.
Jamie, where are we taking the loot?
Bro, where are you? Come here. Come here.
I was taking a piss and I heard you.
Come here. I literally have no money, bro.
We just need to get every corpse and then maybe
You get
pay
eaten.
for it.
All the corpses.
Sell the sign!
Okay.
Wait, we sell the sign? Jamie! Quickly! What have you done?
What have you done?
Hey, what are you doing here?
Nothing. Oh, this is a challenge now.
Yeah, how low can you go?
Holy crap, you went far.
You can't go up.
You guys
Yup.
cash.
Yup.
I got a camera.
Go ahead.
Here you go, here's your hair.
Oh, that makes me chatter.
Drop the ring. No.
Shit, that's money. That's good money. Let me try and grab it. Oh, shit.
Oh, hold on.
Oh, shit.
Hold on. I guess it's the
Game's a game.
Big money. I haven't managed to find my stuff all the way back. It's because I heard the drop jar.
Rope Jamie.
Oh yeah.
Well, okay then.
No.
Crap.
No, this way. Yeah, here we are. Back to this
Oh,
room.
nice. Slime! What the f- I jumped it! You can jump at that thing!
Oh my god,
You got it,
fucking
dude.
legend.
You got it, dude.
Oh my god, I did it.
I missed. Yeah, go. I'm dead.
Yeah, he's dead. He's dead! He's fucking dead! Still making sound! It's fucking dead!
Got the loot bug?
Out of here,
Yeah.
If you got that, give me the walkie. Yeah, give me the walkie-talkie. Wait, no, last time
Turn on your walkie-talkie.
I've got... There's some flashlights in there.
Is that not funny, dude? Running around at the speed of sound. Where'd we go?
One jump.
Really?
Yeah, this one, I think.
Yeah, it's this one then. I can't see it. Oh. Life's a bitch. Yeah, which is like the whole thing. What is that noise?
I'm eating Doritos.
What is that?
What?
Oh.
No!
Hee hee.
Come here, brother. Hey.
What do I do, dude? Oscar, look! Oscar, look at me! Look at me, dude! Oscar, dude, look at me! What do I do? Dude. Come here, dude. Come here. Come here. Hey, come here.
You go.
Get away from me!
You gonna run away?
Get away!
When we finish?
Get away from me, dude! Dude, somebody help!
Wanna continue? Huh?
Somebody help!
Come on, come in, big man. You wanna continue?
Piece of freak.
Brendan, if you hold down metallic objects in this stormy weather, you will die.
They're epic in this game. They're epic.
Like my car.
Yeah, we should all stay home.
What does that mean? What could that mean?
Let me out.
Get in the
I can't get out.
I hear the bees already, bro.
Did we go down in foggy weather?
Alright, diagonally across.
Let
Let me
The spider like just very slowly. Is there nowhere else to go in?
What the fuck?
Sam, this one.
This one?
Yeah,
Yep, this
none
one.
of these are the one.
Oscar, dude, look at this. Hide the body, hide the body, hide it, hide it, hide it. Hide it. Hide it.
Oh, it's just in the darkness.
Hide it. Just leave it there, yep. Well, hold on, no, Brandon, you go that way. Tom, come this way.
I am going this way.
Tom, this way.
I don't trust you guys.
What are you talking about?
Shots, bro.
The exit's this way.
Did
I know where the
down
exit
there?
is.
That's a little thumper.
You go first down there on the left. Check
Oh,
what's
the
on the
exit.
left.
No, the exit's over this way.
I was just standing there staring at a landmine and no one turned it off.
I don't know how to turn it off. I don't know why you're looking at me. I don't even know how to.
We should totally, because they'll definitely
Yep,
come
yep,
in
yep,
this
yep, yep,
direction
yep,
if
yep,
they
yep,
have to.
yep.
I think you can pre-dodge it. But if we hit each other, we'll also take damage because there's no teams in this game. I think it's too hairy, just run.
They're gonna die.
Where's the exit? Where's the exit? Where's the exit? Thomas, here! No! No!
Oh shit, God, the horror from Tom.
There's no sense
Oh
to
my
that.
god,
This is
I felt bad as soon as I killed Aiden. Oh my god. Quick, put on your acting face. Help! Bro! The freaking Jack in the Box!
Oh, the Jack in the Box.
No! 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 Sam, we've been ditched!
What do you mean?
We've been ditched!
What?